Miguel Piso Garrett McBeal. And the other forward, former PDA player who played for Rain or Shine, number 3, Dexter Michaels. Head coach, Yorka Sevilla. Starting a guard, playing for Iloilo Royal of FPBL, number 45, Alexis the Hitman Hiban. Coming from LPU Olongapo, and the proud son of Zambales, the Lightning, number 12, Allen Pumela. Another forward, number 24, from PRMSU, and played for NPL Zambales from Norte. Another forward who played for RMC, wearing jersey number 67. It's no nightmare, Canigo! And the man in the middle also played for RMC, number 69, the Black Bear, and Canigo! Nag-field na si Katsan. Allen, 380, moves up on the 15-foot line elbow. Ian Menencio for JC Diosen. Allen Pumela, 76 minutes remaining. Dexter Michaels moves up. And General Loresto with that foot. Here's that big pass. Mr. Piso with that. And the good chance by Mark Malolas. 3-on-2. Mark wide open. He misses. Ian Menencio gets the ball alive. Ian Menencio. As the WPNC still by Cabotero. Umera stops, pops, money! Allen Pumela, 3! Ian Menencio directing traffic. Villarosa at the corner. Ryan Reyes. Hand off. Villarosa back at the corner. I guess. Dexter. Loses that ball. Ball is live. Here's Allen. Allen pulls up. And 5 quick points for the Lightning. Allen Pumela. Menencio. My guess against Higgs. My guess, take your own words again. Empty pass, General Lorenzo. Getting that perfect empty pass for him. Gets by, led by Lorenzo. On his first 2 points in this ball game. CJ Carpino getting that good flick from Jello. CJ pulling up at the elbow and scores the 2. Comera. That's third. Here's Ian Menencio stepping on that gas. Ian pulls up. Ian Menencio. Is Ian Melencio putting that ball? Pulls up and then it's shot, he will miss. Ryan Reyes, back from behind by Hans Querido. Pumera, gets by! Almost stabbed that ball. At wala na magagawa, yung depensa ni Ian Melencio at that time. 8 points now for Tigres by here in the second quarter. Maloles, Ryan Reyes, will miss that one back. Pumera, Iman on the attack. Alexis, Gamudero baits, comes closer, too strong. Kapil, William Iman, 3-on-1, Dario Peñalosa. Ian Melencio to Ryan Reyes. 4 seconds remaining. And that ball will be a shot over missed by Hans Querido. 43-34. 3 and 20 remaining here in the third quarter. Ian Melencio. JC Diosen, the miss. Querido tapping the ball. Here's Alexis Iman. He gets 2 yellow shirts. Too strong. Gamudero. Double attack. Mike Gamudero. And Querido with the ball. Posting up. Alan Pumera. Alan. He's big. He breaks. Querido. Super Super Alan Pumera. The lead has been cut down to this 58-26. Ian Melencio. Pressured by Gamudero. Melencio. Lorenzo Lopez. Offensive rebound. Piso. Derek Tapper. Pumera. Setting up that play. Querido asking for that ball. Allen wants an isolation against Melencio. Pumera. 3-ball team. He will be blocked. Here's the lead pass. JC Diosen stops, pops, reverse. Querido target to the spine. Despite the norte. They will reset and repass. And here's a good play. Mike Gamudero. Into the field by Gabriel Sevilla. Peñalosa. Kicks out. Melencio. 50-footer. Back to an 8-point lead. 66-58. Here's 5. Met by Norresto. Here's that 3. Just 5-3. Basket was a foul. Live viewers, pakishare niyo po yung aking live games para marami pa ho ang makanood. And there's a basket lead. Iman against Villarosa. Iman's attack. And the balance is Iman. So we're due for Alexis Iman as we take a look at the bench of Cub Sevilla. After that basket, it's now just a 1-point lead, 68-67. Ian Melencio checks down Marquez, takes that lead. He was out short. Pumera. Manolas with that steal. Great save. JC Diosen. JC Diosen with that victory. And here's Ron Dolce going to the post. will be out of bounds. Just want to say hi and thank you very much for watching on the live. Ma'am Annalyn Alcantara Manuel. 9 seconds remaining here in the fourth deciding quarter of the game one of the best of three finals between WB and Sevilla and Camp Sevilla. Battle at the post. Good defense by Hans Querido. Pumela. Allen. With his back ball. JC DeMonson. Allen Pomona holding on to the time. As we know, he needed that lead. From Gomez was high. As I see, Allen Pomona. I hope he's okay. CJ Del Pino using the double pick. There's a switch. The Austin. TCD Austin 3. Let's see a 2-possession ball game. 4-point lead. Alexis Seaman. Using that pick. Quick switch. Alexis. Dempsey. And Alexis Seaman scores in that layup to get the lead to just 2. Just a 2-point lead. Pumela, Seaman, back to Allen. Allen breaks. Allen hesitates. Allen goes. Pumela will miss. Rebound. Signing this one at 174.
Tayo na mga boss, tayo na.
On the crunch line, CJ Del Pino.
77 all.
CJ with the ball.
2 minutes and 30
Here's
seconds.
the switch. Querido, Ligas. Mike Gamonero. El Baculero. Mike Gamonero with the 2 points. And the lead of the back to Camp Sevilla. Obviously, Mikey Olsen.
Labang na ng dalawang Camp Sevilla.
He-Man.
2 minutes.
Posting up.
Fourth quarter na mga boss. 2 minutes.
Against Malones. Here's Gamonero. A pass. Hans Querido looking at 3. The other with the rebound. Last 2 minutes. Mark Malones to the other. Yes. Hans Querido can use that ball. And he's saying goodbye. Both teams have 2 timeout laps in this ball game. And JC Dionson slip and a turnover. Is Allen Pomela. A double team against Jason Beyonce. Allen goes that ball to the shot clock. That's why having the ball to hands. Querido. Hand it off. Alexis Seaman with a spin. Alexis spin. Possession ball game. WB and
Last quarter na mga boss. 48 seconds. Last quarter.
Landing under front court. Mike Palalas with the inbound. We got Ian Manancho, JC Dionson, Dexter Marquez, and Jerry Capir. Marquez, good to with the foul. Missed that bonus free throw. Iman, Alexis. Ian, Robo, Dale, Cabotero, to the spy, Hans Querido, Iman, attacks, and they scores! And assist by Hans Querido, to Alexis Iman. 82-76. And a booking foul. Free throws have been missing for W. And this will be our final score for game one. Constantine will take game number one of the specialty of the WBN Sevilla, 77-80.